Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed. So today I have an unboxing of a bag that I've been eyeing on the Kurt Geiger's website. It is the Chelsea Drench Long Clutch bag. So before I get into unboxing this bag, I have 10 items in my collection from Kurt Geiger that I'm excited to share with you. So first I have is this beautiful bag. This is the leather Kensington. It's a beautiful bag. I love the details, the pattern of the chevron, and the gold eagle head with the black eyes for stone. And in the back is plain. You see the bag is very soft with the Kurt Geiger stamp. So you can carry this bag like this as a shoulder bag, or you can carry it as a crossbody bag. So you just drop the straps like this. You can see like that. Okay, so that is the leather Kensington. I'm not sure if the website still have this particular design, but I will check, and if they do, I will link it below. It's a beautiful bag. And it's so funny, Kurt Geiger has so many beautiful bags, colorful bags, and I do not have any in my collection, but I am thinking about buying one of the rainbow bags. I believe that's what they're known for. But I'm pretty much a neutral person, neutral girl, so I'm not sure if I'll get much wear out of the colorful bag, so that's why I haven't purchased one yet. Next up is this is called what is the name of this bag? This is called the Kensington Union Jack. I just love the style and design, shape of this bag. It's such a beautiful bag. You know, it's a London-based brand, so I love this particular detailing here. And it goes all the way to the back, and it has the plate that says Kurt Geiger London on it, and of course this beautiful golden head eagle. I love it. Now, I didn't get this from Kurt Geiger. I got this from Bloomingdale's. Plenty of room in the bag. It has this center zipper, and you have an inside pocket here. Alrighty. Okay, so that is the Kensington Union Jack leather tote bag. Okay, my favorite bag of them all to date is this beauty. Look at this beautiful bag. I love it. It's a hobo. I think this is the Chelsea. It's called the Chelsea Large Hobo Bag. And it's pebble leather. Very roomy. I love it. This is sort of like my weekend bag, you know. Lots of room. Just one big space, but there is one zipper pocket here that you can put your wallet in. All right, so that is my Chelsea Large Slouch Hobo Bag. Beautiful. All right, so my next bag is my everyday bag, and this is my work bag. It's called the Recycled Shopper. Is that what it's called? It's called, yeah, Recycled Shopper bag. Quilt material, leather trimming, Kurt Geiger stamp, beautiful gold eagle head, plenty room. I put my laptop in here, my work papers, carries a lot. So I don't think this is on the website anymore, Kurt Geiger site. They have plenty of other tote bags, but this is a great bag. I like this. I carry this now. I think I've been carrying this for like at least 6 months, and it still looks good. Still looks in good condition. All right, so I have another bag that I've been carrying also for work. Now I carried this. I would like to carry this in the spring. I feel like this gives me more spring vibes than to wear it in the winter. I mean, you can certainly wear it in the winter, carry it in the winter, but I think it looks more like a spring bag. So when the weather breaks, I will change out the black bag for this one. I love the detailing here. Fancy. So this one has a snap, so there's no zipper. It has this nice little pouch in here. Nice and roomy for your laptop and all your other essentials. Has a nice little pocket there. This is my wallet. I love how it goes together. So it's really cute. So I'll show you this one next here. So this is the only thing I got is in color. And this is a green. You have your credit card slots, place to put your money. No place for you to put your change or anything like that. I have like another pouch for that. But what I do wish it had is a window where I can put my driver's license in. So right now I just slide my driver's license in one of the pouches. But I do have other wallets where there's a window. But I love the color so much, so I had to get this. Okay, and it has the Kurt Geiger stamp on the front. Next thing I have here is, okay, my gold clutch. I wore this recently in November to a wedding, so that's the reason why I purchased it. Gold clutch. I love the gold head here. It has a chain, so you can either carry it on your shoulder or carry it as a clutch. Beautiful bag. Okay, with this, I purchased a pair of gold shoes. So that's it for bags. I got these Kurt Geiger gold heels that I wore with this bag. It's great together. Now the shoes, no gold eagle, but they have a little locket on the back of the strap. So that's a cute little detail here. It's a very cute strappy heel, very comfortable. You got a little padding here. The heel is not too high. I believe this is like maybe 3.5 inches. It actually doesn't look like 3.5, but I believe it is. Maybe 3. No, maybe it's 3.5. But anyway, beautiful, beautiful pair of shoes. Okay, so what else is in my collection before I go into the unboxing? Oh yeah, I forgot about, I have a pair of sunglasses here. So let's see. These are cute. I haven't worn them yet. I think it has a cute little, look at the, so see the color here? This is what their bags, well, the only thing I got that's colorful from the collection are these glasses with a little bit of color. So I have to get a bag, to get one of the bags with the colors. Very cute. It's very nice. I think they look kind of nice on me. Let me just step back. Alrighty, so what else is on my list here? Alrighty, I think that's it, except for, yeah, I got everything here. I do have this bracelet from them as well. This is the XL Eagle hinge bracelet. It's very comfortable to wear. It has a hinge, has a heavy bracelet, but it's very comfortable. So now let's get into the unboxing of my new bag that I purchased for myself for my birthday. Right here, got my scissors. I'm so excited. I have not opened the box yet. See? I have not opened it. So I'll be opening it for the first time with you guys. And this is called the Chelsea Drench Long Clutch. I have so much stuff around me, so I'll make sure I got everything. I feel like I'm missing something though. Oh, you know what it is? I purchased a pair of earrings from Kurt Geiger. They're coming on Thursday. So I had it on my list as the 11th thing, and I only counted 10 things that I unboxed. I think it's 10, right? Okay. All right, so we're going to open up this box. I'm so excited. I hope it's something that I like and that I don't have to return. Okay, so I hope I like this. Hope it's... Alrighty. So I got this for my birthday. My birthday is in a couple weeks. Alrighty. So I ordered this directly from Kurt Geiger. Kurt Geiger was having a sale. I've been eyeing this bag for a while. I had it on my wish list, and I got it. It was $200 off. So I think it was like $348, and I got it for $148 or something like that. Ooh. Okay, let's see. I love a good sale. It feels heavy. I've been wanting this bag. I was like, I don't want to pay full price for it. I hope it goes on sale. And this bag, I think you can, I have not seen the bag in person. I only, ooh. Beautiful. I love it. That is gorgeous. Look at that. It's even more, it's even prettier in person. I have not seen the bag in person. I would love to go visit a Kurt Geiger store. I'm actually going to be in New York soon, and I think there's a Kurt Geiger in New York City, in the Soho area. I'm not sure. I have to look that up. Oh, it has a strap also. See, I really don't ever use the straps on these type of bags. I like to carry, if it's a clutch, I like to carry it just like a clutch. But it's good to, let me see, can I take this off? Okay, you can see a little bit of the chain here. Alright, let's see if I can cut some of this off so I can see without the plastic. This is beautiful. So you can wear this dressed up or wear it dressed down. So it's good to have like a nice black clutch. I don't think I have a clutch like this, anywhere like this. I have more evening clutches, but see, I think this can go for, I think you can dress this up or down. Well, oh lordy, I don't think I can get this plastic off right now. All right. Okay. I just wanted to show you the chain here. How beautiful is this bag? I love it. let's see the space. So we do have a back pocket here. So you can slip something here. It's heavy. Okay, let's take this stuff out. Okay, so this is the dust bag. Okay, let me see how much room we got in here. All right, so there is enough. Let me see. This is the price. This is the price. No, the price is not on here. But anyway, this is how it's looking in the inside. Let me see. Can I put a wallet in here? All right, so it was able to fit the wallet. Let me see my phone. Can fit my phone. Let me put the chain inside because that's not how I would. I would pretty much. I'm going to a party next month, a birthday party, and I think I will carry this bag. I have to find an outfit around the bag. Let me turn this tag off because I will be keeping this. I will be keeping this bag. I love the snake detailing. It's a beautiful bag. I love the pattern. The head. It's so me. I love it. So this bag is beautiful. I love it. I love the detailing of this bag. I love the black eagle head. So you can wear this bag dressed up or dressed down. You can wear a pair of jeans, a t-shirt, put some heels on. This is a gorgeous bag, and it holds my phone and my wallet that I just put in here. It's a beautiful bag. Okay, so I really love this bag. It is beautiful. Beautiful. The details of this bag, just gorgeous. I love the black detailing of the eagle head. The back has this back pocket. Plenty of room for your cell phone, wallet, and some makeup, other essentials that you may need to carry with you. But I probably will wear this out probably mostly in the evening because of how it sparkles. But you can certainly wear it dressed up or dressed down. So even if you're wearing it in the evening, you can wear this with like a pair of jeans, or you can dress it up with an all black dress, black outfit, pair of heels. Just a beautiful bag. So I think this is a classic to have for many years to come. It's a beautiful bag. All right, guys. So thank you so very much for being here with me today with this unboxing and showing you my Kurt Geiger collection. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.